Hello guys, this is Shawn. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a breakfast with those simple ingredients. First of all, wash your hands properly. Crack an egg into a small bowl or two. Put some salt in it. If you like, some green onion. Stir it up a little bit. Spray some oil on the pan. Let it heat up. And then pour the egg on it.
不用了，如果你要用的话。
Wait until they're cooked and put the tortilla roll over it. And twist it a little bit. And wait. Until it cooks, flip it over. Let it cook a little bit. You can see when the egg is pumping out. That means most of the eggs are cooked.
从上往下数，第二个、第三个都是我。
Then you put it on a plate and put on whatever topping you like. Tofu, ham, and then put ketchup and a little bit hot sauce on it. Then you wrap it up. And finally, you can enjoy it. Bon appetit. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to learn more, apply right now and I might show you.